If you've been following the news lately, you'll know that a kilogram of onion is 2 to 3 times more expensive than chicken or pork. Prices this high is enough to make anybody cry. We here at Yummy.ph have compiled 5 quick and easy onion-free recipes that are light on your budget and will save you a couple of tears. This adobo dish is as good as they come. Not only does it not have any onions in it, but there's no soy sauce as well. The vinegar is the star here and it's definitely yummy. Here's a different take on the tasty salpicao. This stir-fry dish contains cubed pork instead of the usual beef tenderloin. It's so good that it can be both an appetizer and the main dish. Pasta lovers, we have something for you as well. The simple flavors of Spanish sardines, basil, and garlic meld beautifully in this easy-to-make pasta recipe. Before we continue with this list, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more lists like this and more yummy recipes. The next time you're craving for some breakfast food, try out this homemade chicken longanisa recipe. It's sweet, peppery, and goes well with garlic rice and a side of tomatoes. Best of all, it's skinless. Normally, this dish does have onions in it, but all this pork steak really needs is a good sear and a lot of garlic. There you have it! 5 onion-less recipes that will not only fit in your budget, but will also have you craving for more. Check out the links for the recipes we shared here in this video. Don't forget to share with us in the comments your very own onion-less recipes.